Hey, beautiful people. If you want to make money from the comfort of your home, then you just clicked on the right video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you remote jobs that you can make as much as $300 a day. You don't need any experience. There will be no CVs, no interviews. Anybody can take up these jobs. I'm going to be sharing in different occupations, or should I say different roles that you can do. So many of them in today's video. So there will definitely be something for everyone. So you can make as much as $300 a day, depending on how much time you want to give into it. So this is really amazing because it is flexible. You work at your own pace. You decide which days you want to work and how much you want to work. So please do watch the video to the end. I'm going to save the best for last. So please watch to the end so you can see all the juicy opportunities I'm going to be sharing in today's video. If it's your first time here, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to assist you move abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so when I post the next video, you'll be notified and you get to watch it. Also subscribe to my Instagram so you can be getting very quick information there, and do send me an email if you would like me to assist you personally to move abroad. If you would like to talk to me one-on-one over a call, or you need me to assist you with any aspect of your relocation, then please do send me an email. I also have a Telegram channel to join. All the links are going to be in the description box below. Also, please drop a comment. Let me know it's your first time on the channel. I always have something special for first timers, so please do drop a comment below, and don't forget to like the video and share the video with your family and friends so they too can take advantage of the information here. And before we go further, let me share this with you. If you want to make $1,000 every month, I have the perfect side hustle for you. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to quit your job to do it, and it is passive income. So you're going to be getting paid while you sleep, get paid while you're on vacation. You don't need to actively work on it to get paid. Let me explain how it works. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP, and this is something that I myself have done. All right, so I get paid every month from Amazon for doing nothing. I started over 5 years ago, so you can do it exactly the way I did it, to be getting paid every month without doing anything. It's a publishing business, but you don't need to be a writer to do it because you're not writing any books. Stackly has put together manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. These books are in demand right now across the world. So all you need to do is buy these manuscripts from Stackly, publish it on Amazon KDP, and get paid every month. Stackly has also put together a free training course you're going to be getting when you buy your pack of manuscripts. So you actually do not need to know anything about this before you start. I too knew nothing about it. I got trained by Stackly. I started this business while I was living in Nigeria because I wanted to move abroad. So I started to save money to move abroad, so you can do the same as well. And even now that I'm living abroad, it really helps me with my living expenses. Imagine making $1,000 from nowhere, from literally nowhere, because I don't do anything anymore. And that is the beauty of the business. After you have initially published your books on Amazon KDP, you don't need to do anything anymore. Amazon pays you at the end of every month. So do buy a pack of manuscripts from Stackly. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There is a pack of 30 manuscripts, a pack of 60 manuscripts, a pack of 150 manuscripts, and a pack of 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I do recommend the 300 pack because that is what I did, and that is where you can make the most money. So when I say $1,000 a month, it is not fixed. It can be $20,000, $13,000, $9,000. It can be anything. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts, please send me an email so I can add you to my own private personal KDP group that has KDP publishers from all around the world. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, get the free training, publish your books on Amazon KDP, and sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So I want to show you 10 websites where you can get remote jobs that are easy to do. Everyone can do it, and different roles. So just stick around. If the first one is not for you, the second one could be for you, or the third one. But trust me, I am saving the best for last. So please do watch to the end so you can see all the amazing opportunities. So let us start with this one. This one is Exion. Exion hires remote workers to input, update, and manage data for businesses. So the tasks here include typing, spreadsheet management, and database updates. So this is basically a data entry job. So since I started sharing remote jobs like this, I've received several emails, people asking me to share opportunities for data entry. So this is one of them. You can head on to Exian Data Entry to get this job. So the skills that are needed here is that you should know how to type fast. You should type at least 40 words per minute. You should have great attention to detail, and you should also have basic Excel, Google Sheet knowledge. All right. So how to start is you're going to apply on the website. So no experience is required for entry-level role. So you're going to be completing a short typing test, and you can earn from $10 to $15 per hour doing these data entry jobs with Exian. And the next one is virtual. So here you're going to be getting virtual assistant jobs. Virtual connects virtual assistants with entrepreneurs and businesses. The tasks here include email management, scheduling meetings, research, and admin support to businesses. The basic skills you need for VA roles is strong communication, organization, and time management. And you should be familiar with tools like Gmail, Slack, and Trello. Here you can make between $15 to $25 per hour as a beginner. So come to Zatual.com and look at the positions that they have. The next one I want to share with you is Amazon Mechanical Turk. So here they offer small online tasks like surveys, data categorization, and content moderation. So these are the kind of tasks you're going to be doing here on Amazon Mechanical Turk. All you need is basic computer skills, and you also need patience because some of these tasks are low paying. So you have to do like so much to gain so much. You can be making $2 to $10 per hour. So how to start? Just come here to Amazon Mechanical Turk, mturk.com, and find tasks that you can complete. All right. So the next one here is Mod Squad. Focus on some tasks on this Mod Squad that you should focus on, and it is community moderation and customer support. All right. So if you focus on these two roles, it is something you can do without experience, and it's very easy to get. So how it works is that Mod Squad hires remote moderators and customer service reps for gaming, social media, and brands. So the skills you need here is good written English, you need problem-solving skills, and some roles require gaming knowledge. And if you don't have that, just focus on the other ones that don't require gaming knowledge. Here you can earn $15 to $20 per hour. So just come to the website modsquad.com and go to the careers page and see what you can get. Number 5 is Listener. So here it's a usability testing, right? So you get paid to test websites and apps by giving feedback on design and usability. The skills you need here is your honest opinion and basic tech knowledge. You can make between $5 to $20 per hour working with this company. The website is listener.com. So just head on here and see the jobs that you can get. And the next 3 websites are for the same role, and this is online coaching and teaching. So you can teach online from the comfort of your home and get paid for it. You can tutor students worldwide over video calls. You can be a language teacher, or you can teach different subjects to students, and you can teach adults or children on these websites. You can make between $10 to $30 per hour as an online tutor. And number 1 is italki. So you can come here to get tutoring jobs, right? And just click here, become a teacher, and follow the prompts. And then the second one here is Cambly.com. So you can come here to get tutor jobs as well. And the third one is Preply.com. So these 3 websites are amazing to get remote jobs as an online tutor. The next role I want to share is transcription roles. Here you're going to be converting video or audio to text. All right. So you're going to be hearing or watching a video or audio, you listen to it, and then you type out what you hear. That is basically what transcribers do. So here you need to be fast in typing. You should be able to type a minimum of 60 words per minute, and you should also have very good listening skills. You'll be required to take a transcription test before you begin, and when you get approved, then you begin working as a transcriber. Here you get paid per audio minute, per minute of audio you transcribe, right? And the earning potential is between 30 cents to $1.50 per audio minutes. So the more you can do, the more you can earn here. So that is why you need to be very fast with your typing. I have 3 websites here where you can get the transcription jobs, and the first one is rev.com. You can just come here and begin. And the second one is Transcribe Me. This is transcribeme.com. And then we have here gotranscript.com. All right, so these 3 websites are very important when you want to be a transcriber. You can start with these 3 and get to earn money transcribing from home. So that's it. These are 10 legit remote jobs that you can get and do it from the comfort of your home. So try them out and please give me feedback in the comments. I would like to know how these websites worked in your location. Let me know where you're watching from, where you're doing it from, and just give me general feedback. It really helps. Whatever you do, don't watch the video without dropping a comment below. So if you're watching up to this point, then please drop in the comments brilliant. All right, I'll just drop in the comments below brilliant. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we are going to see you in the next video.